The Bose QuietComfort 35-2 gaming headset has best-in-class noise cancellation and is designed for both gaming and everyday use. In this video, we'll help you unbox and set up your headphones. Let's begin by opening the box. Inside, you'll find your protective carry case. Open it to reveal your Bose QuietComfort gaming headset, along with a USB charging cable and an audio cable. Back inside the box, the next thing you'll see is a quick start guide and important safety information. Next, you have the gaming microphone. And finally, the PC desktop controller. To communicate with your friends or team while gaming, attach the gaming microphone to the auxiliary port on the left ear cup. Insert firmly until you feel it click into place. When the gaming microphone is connected, Bluetooth is disabled, and your mobile device will be unable to find your headset. If your gaming system is a console, connect the microphone cable to a 3.5mm auxiliary port on the gaming system or controller. If your gaming system is a PC, connect the desktop controller to a USB port on your PC. Connect the gaming microphone cable to the auxiliary port on the controller. Rotate this knob to increase or decrease the volume. This button controls how much of your own voice you hear while using the headset. Press it to cycle between low, medium, high, and off. You can also press and hold the button to quickly turn it off. Located on your gaming microphone cable is a mute switch. Slide it down to mute your microphone and slide it up to unmute. When using the gaming microphone, the power switch on the right ear cup controls noise cancellation. Slide the power switch to the right to activate noise cancellation, and slide it to the left to turn noise cancellation off. To remove the boom mic, grab the gaming microphone on both sides of the base. Gently twist back and forth and pull the base to disengage the clip, and then pull out the microphone. When you're no longer gaming, you can still use the headphones with your mobile device. For the best experience, we recommend downloading the Bose Connect app from the Apple App Store or the Google Play Store. Follow the app instructions to complete setup. Your Bose QuietComfort 35 Series 2 gaming headset is now set up. For additional support, visit our website.